You heard the secret? Hannah Montana's Backstage Secrets with Miley Cyrus.
That's me.
The new Hannah Montana and Miley Cyrus Best of Both Worlds concert CD plus highlights DVD just came out. And Miley's sharing her secrets about her.
The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Sacramento County in Northern California, western El Dorado County in Northern California, southern Placer County in Northern California, until 8:24 a.m. At 7:18 a.m., storm spotters along with the National Weather Service were tracking a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado near Roseville, moving southeast at 31 miles per hour. In addition, a line of severe thunderstorms were reported to be capable of producing a tornado near Whitney by trained storm spotters. Locations impacted include Roseville, Citrus Heights, Fair Oaks. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Has sprung in an unexpected direction. It's Disney Channel's Halloween in April week. Halloween comes twice this year when Disney Channel presents a week of the scariest, spookiest, most hair-raising Disney Channel original movies in April. Next Sunday, the Screams kick off with Tia and Tamara Mowry and Twitches, followed by Twitches 2 on Monday.
I think we're safe.